My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Golf GTE. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 71,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our car status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below we can select our GTE mode and our E mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.